Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome to our live trading session. Yeah, we had to make it an afternoon trading because of the important event we have this afternoon. Okay, in less than 30 minutes, we have the NFP news, high impact news coming up. All right. As you've all known, in case you don't know, this is your first time joining us and you are new to this live stream. So NFP means non-farm payroll. Okay, so it's a report, a monthly report, economy indicator that is being released by the United States Department of Labor every month. All right, it provides information on the number of jobs added or lost in the non-farm sector. All right, so what they do is they want to know if they have an increase in job creation for this month. If the data gotten is more than the previous month, that means the economy is getting stronger. Okay, and that will give a stronger value to the USD. Okay, but if what they got this month is lesser than what they got last month, then the it means the economy is a bit weaker, which will also reflect on the USD. All right. So that is why the USD is a very important currency in the forex world. Yeah, it's very important. So that is why the NFP is also very important. Okay, because whatever affects the USD affect almost all the forex assets. All right. So most especially the gold, the Euro USD, the GBP USD. Every instrument that has to do with that is paired, every currency that is paired with the USD is going to get affected. All right. So what we are going to be doing today, let me just give you guys a few tips. If the data gotten is strong, okay, if it's strong, then USD is going to buy. Okay, and if the data gotten is weak, then USD is going to sell. So how do you sell and how do you buy the USD? If the data gotten is stronger, that means any pair that is paired with the USD is going to sell. All right, so let's take GBP. If USD is um if USD is the quote currency, USD is going to sell. That is if the USD is stronger. So let's take GBP USD for example. GBP USD. Come in. Okay. Okay. So you see right now, we are already in this market on our premium group. So I'm not going to share this here. If you want to join, come and go and fund your account. All right. You see that area where deposit with benefit is boldly written on. If you click on that banner, it's going to take you to where you can fund your account. If you fund $10 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. If you fund $15, if you fund $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you fund $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you fund up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. Then you also get to enjoy a one-on-one session with me. Okay. So the news is coming right now, and we already have a sell limit around this area. Okay, so we have a liquidity that is going to get grabbed around this area. That is why I have this sell limit. So this market is also going to be affected by the NFP data. I'm telling you, the reason is because you see we have USD paired with GBP. Okay, this is GBP USD, so it's definitely going to affect this. Okay, but with the analysis that I've gotten from here, this is where the liquidity ends. Okay, so if the market goes above this, yeah, it's going to take me out. Okay, but I have my stop loss set and I have my take profit set. Okay, so what I'm looking forward to here is for the market to take this liquidity and then continue to go down, something like this. Okay, something like this. So the NFP data has always been stronger, so that is why I think this is also going to be same thing. All right, same thing. So it is the month of January, the beginning of 2024. So the US is trying to do better stuffs. Yeah. So as I was saying earlier, if the data gotten is stronger, then USD would sell in this case. Okay, USD would sell in this case because USD is the quote currency here. All right, USD is the second. When it is arranged here, GBP, then comes USD. Okay, but if USD is the first, then USD is going to buy because USD is stronger. So let's take USD JPY for example, or USD CAD. Okay, so if we come below, you see USD CAD here. So in this case, if USD is stronger, USD is going to fall massively. All right, USD is going to go up. It's going to continue to buy massively. I'm telling you. Okay. So this area also, this is where I think the market will take liquidity and continue. Let me just mark this out. Okay, let me just mark this out. Then after the news, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's good to be a professional. I'm telling you. So after the news, I'm going to show you what happened here. Even if the market later break down, I'm still going to show you what happened. Okay, something is definitely going to happen here. Something is definitely going to happen. Okay, or the market can just move from this area because we also have an important zone around this area. Yeah, we also have an important zone around this area. These two areas, don't play with them. Okay, these two areas, don't play with them. So the market can decide to go from there, and the stop loss will be around here. Yeah, I can actually take this trade if I want, but I already have a trade on. So yeah, it's the news. Nothing is 100% when it comes to forex. Okay, you just have to be careful. Do your things the normal way. Don't over risk. Don't think you know too much. Yeah, in forex, you can't do I too know. Okay, I too know. Damn, I don't know. Now for your account, you go hear them. Yeah. So if you do I too know, now your account go here. All right. So that is why we gotta be very careful out there if you want to take this trade. So what I will be trading today is the gold, okay? XAU USD. All right. I'll be trading the XAU USD. So I'm gonna start analyzing the XAU USD now. So in this case, if the USD is stronger, USD is going to sell. All right. USD is going to sell because USD is the quote currency. But if USD is weak, then the gold is going to overpower the USD and gold will shoot up. All right. So that is how it works. So let's quickly analyze the market before you know um, the data is released. Yes. Okay. So let's quickly analyze the data before it's released. So as you can see on the lower time frame, on the 15 minutes time frame, let's go back to the 1 hour. Let's see what the 1 hour has been doing. Okay. So as we can see on the 1 hour time frame, the market has moved from this area. You see, technical analysis is very important when it comes to data. Okay. Even though the market, you see, when the news happens, if you are conversant with the news, if you've ever taken one or two trades trading the news, you notice something that the market doesn't just go in one direction. Okay, the market can shoot up. So take this for example. You see from here, this is where the market started from. Okay, the market shoot up, bought for a bit, and then the market came down. Yeah, that is how the news works. Okay, the news doesn't go in just one direction. Yeah, it's going to go on one direction than the other, but it's going to go on both directions. Okay, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say here. What I'm trying to say is the market will go up and it will go down. Yeah, it's still going to face one direction at the on the long run, but it's definitely going to maybe shoot up a bit to take liquidity before the market goes down. So take for example, look at this area. The market came to take liquidity here. Yeah. So let me zoom on this. I want to show you something very important here, guys. So you see the market came down to take liquidity here. Okay, the market came down to take liquidity, and what happened? So a lot of people would have thought, oh wow, this market is going up. Yeah, XAU USD bought because of the news that came out. Okay, XAU USD bought, but the the focus of this market is actually a bearish move. Okay, the focus of the market is actually a bearish move. So an experienced trader, an ICT trader, would have taken entry around this area. Okay, yeah, maybe not this area, maybe this area. Okay, yeah, a lot of people would have missed this entry. I would have missed this entry because I wouldn't take this. I would have preferred this because this is, this is the first one and this is the second one. So my entry would have been here. Okay, I would have missed the entry. But the most important thing is, if you took your entry from this area, you would have made a lot of money because the market sold. All right, the market sold without caring about what happened, how the market came up. Okay, a lot of people would have taken a buy from here. They will still have made money. I'm telling you. Okay, they will still have made money, but the overall direction of the trend was a downtrend. Okay, so see how the market moved to take liquidity around this area and then form that long candle, with a long wick and a very small body. Okay, then what happened after the market started, trying to close up the whole, move that the market has made. So, guys, this is how the news works. Okay, this is how the news works. So now, since we have a zone, and after that, the market came back to fill the zone pretty much. Okay, came back to fill the zone better than the last time, because here the market just, give it a touch and then, fell down. But here the market dived in deep. Okay, diving into concept. The market continue to move to the downside. So if you ask me now, I think the market will continue to go down, right? I think the market will continue to go down. So I have this analysis on. I have this zone. This is the 1 hour time frame. So I have this zone that I'm currently looking at. Okay, so I have that zone. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Let's see what we are doing. Okay, let's see what we are doing. Okay, so I think we have this area. Yeah, I think this market is going to go down. But the stop loss, and again, I need to warn you guys. Okay, I need to warn you. I need to warn you guys. If you're gonna be taking this trade with me, please be very careful. Okay, if you have a very low balance, I'll advise you to fund your account. Okay, so if you have $10, please fund your account, top up your account. Okay, if you can't top it up, I'll advise you to stay away from this. The reason is because the news is very dangerous. Okay, the news is very, very, it moves very fast. And this is the XAU USD we are talking about, a very volatile pair, a pair that moves faster than any other pair. Okay, so you need to be very careful, so you don't blow your account. Okay, nothing is guaranteed, as I've said earlier. Yeah, we have. I don't think we've ever um ran into loss trading NFP. Okay, the only thing I knew happened was we missed our chance to take an entry. Yeah, that happened. Okay, I think it was the previous one. Yeah, before this. Okay, so I think we lost the chance, but no, we didn't actually lose the chance. Yeah, we missed the first chance, but we got in the second time the market was making the second move. Yeah, yeah, I remembered. Yeah, we did that. But I think the one before that, we missed the chance to take the entry. Yeah, I think we missed the chance to take the entry. So, but here, what we are going to be doing is, either way, it's still very dangerous because nothing is 100% guaranteed. Okay, sometimes even as a professional, we encounter losses a lot of time. Okay, a lot of time we encounter losses. So it doesn't mean that you are invincible just because you know how to analyze market. Okay, you know how to analyze market. Market will still show you shege. I'm telling you. Okay, market will still show you shege. So what I would advise you do is, if you have a small balance, if you have a small equity, just top up your account. Okay, have at least $10 to risk for this. Okay, have at least $10 to risk for this. So if you have $10, at least when the market comes to this area, you can take your entry. Okay, and this is the gold market. It's very volatile. All right, it's very, very, very volatile. So please be careful. And then when opening a position, make sure you are using just one entry. Okay, do not open multiple positions. Okay, you want to open multiple positions or something you don't even have confirmation over. Okay, you don't have confirmation on it yet. We are not sure where the market is going to go. Okay, we just trade with experience. Okay, I trade with experience, but normally you have to wait until the data is released to confirm your entry. Okay, so to get the proper entry, you need to wait for the news to be released. Okay, but what I love to do the most is I um I love to take my entry even before the data is released. The reason is because that way I'll be able to secure more profit. Okay, I secure more profit. I gather more profit even before the data is released. Okay, but I'm not saying you should do that with me. If you're not experienced, you need to be careful. Okay, you need to be very careful. So right now, as I've said, there are a lot of moves that have been made here. So we have another area here where, okay, so this can be our change of character level. Yeah, this can be our change of character. Okay, so this is our change of character. Okay. So we have all these areas, all right? We have all these areas. Let's just allow the market to, do it thing. Um, but as for me, I think the market will go down with the analysis that I've made earlier. Okay, I think the market will go down because the market still needs to take all these liquidities out. Yeah, we have so many liquidities here that are disturbing the market. So, and the market has, been making a bearish move right from here up to this moment. Okay, and if this market, so peradventure, this market comes back up, it's just going to, close up the liquidity, the gaps that have been created here previously. Okay. Yes. So you see, if this market breaks around this area, then we are going to enter from this. Okay. We're going to enter from this, and then we'll have that long stop loss, long take profit. Okay. All right. So less than 10 minutes to impact. Less than 10 minutes. We have our analysis on. Let's go back to the 30 minutes time frame, the 15 minutes rather. So on the 15 minutes time frame, we have all these areas. So we have this, we have this. Okay. You see, I hate it when I have multiple zones. Okay, I so much hate it when I have multiple zones to look at. So I have another zone here. Uh, okay, I have another zone around there. So I have multiple zones. Okay, we have multiple zones. But I'm telling you, with the confirmation So far, I think US going to sell to the downside. Okay, so you see what I was talking about. I told you there's a zone here, but since this zone is getting filled already, I believe the market is going to make a move to the upside. Okay, not a heavy move, but let's just wait and see. Even if we miss the first entry, we're sure gonna get the second entry. I promise you guys. Okay. Sometimes if you're not sure about the data, it is better you just allow the data, to be released. Then you take your entry afterwards. Okay, there's no rushing when it comes to trading here. As I've said earlier, nothing is 100%. Nothing is, nothing is going. There's no guarantee. Okay, there's no guarantee that you're going to make, profit. All right, but you just have to do what you have to do. You understand? So right now, we trade what we see. Okay, I don't know if you guys have had that before. We trade what we see. So what I see here right now is that there's a zone around this area, and as you can see, the market is, respecting this zone. That is why you see this market selling to the downside right now. Okay, and then we have another zone around this area where I think the market will go down from. So guys, less than 3 minutes to impact. Okay, less than 3 minutes to impact. So just get your account ready. Okay, get your account ready. Get your account ready. All right. So once we get the opportunity, we trade. Okay. But if we don't get the earlier entry, then we just wait for confirmation. So another thing we could do here is, set, a buy around this area. Okay, but we can do that. We can do that. We can actually set it around this area. So if this market goes above this, we can actually buy. Okay. But for me, I strongly believe the data is going to go down, right? So there are still gaps and areas to be filled down below. But let's just, since the market has already started from this area, has already started making it move. Okay, it picked this area as a point of reversal. So let's just see what the data, because my initial thought was to take the entry from here. But since the market has already started, making its move even before the data is released, I think that has just blocked, my chance of taking the trade from here. But let's see what the data is going to give us. Let's see what the data is going to give us, right? As I've said, there are two ways to trade this. You enter before or you enter after. Guys, less than a minute to impact. I'm telling you, this market is going to go down. Okay? Less than a minute to impact. Less than a minute. Few seconds. Okay? Few seconds more. Okay. Guys, it's happening. I'm telling you, you see? You see what I said? It was gonna sell. It's definitely gonna sell. It's definitely gonna sell. Oh god. Oh god, guys. What have we done? Oh god. What have we done? You see, I was 100% sure the market was gonna go down. Yeah. So guys, you see what I said? Let's give the market a chance to move up a bit, then we sell, okay? I told you it's gonna sell. Oh, guys, if you want to risk with me, I'm gonna be selling right now. Just opening a position. Okay, I have a position on. Okay, okay, it's going fine. All right, making profit. So if this give me enough profit, I'm just gonna close and open another one. All right, so if you risk with me, guys, let's close. Let's close this. All right, this is good profit enough. So let's close. Let's wait for another opportunity. All right. So let's wait for another sell opportunity. So the first sell gave a good profit. So you see, the market reversed from this area where I set my, um, you know, from this point of interest, which is very interesting. Yeah. Okay. So the market is going up right now. I'm gonna take my second sell. Guys, hold on, please. Okay. So premium members, premium members. Just a moment, please. Our pending order. Let's go check. We had the pending order on XAUUSD. Oh God, the market didn't trigger. Okay. So sorry about that, guys. Our GBP USD market didn't trigger, but you see how the market came down. So this is where I, set my limit, and this is just how many pips to entry. This is just 3 pips. Okay, 3 pips to entry, and the market didn't trigger. So bad. 3 pips to entry, and the market didn't trigger. All right. And the reason why market didn't trigger is because I have, my entry point. Okay. I have double entry points, just as we did here. Okay. We had double entry point. You see, Even before the news happened, you saw when I was drawing this. Okay, you saw me when I was drawing this. Okay, I drew the both sides. I drew on this, which is the first one, and I drew the second one also, which is the second one. Then I said the market would either come up here to go down, or the market will reverse from this area. And I said I was 100% sure that the market is going to sell. Yeah, I said I was 100% sure that the market is going to sell. And what happened? The market sold. Okay, but just that the market reversed from the second one. Okay, meanwhile, we have two zones. Yeah, this happens sometimes. Okay, it happens at times. So it's not really a bad thing. It's just the market. You have to flow with the market. The market will not flow with you. All right, you are the one that is to flow with the market. So let's wait. Let's see if we can get another entry. So if you risk the first entry with me, congratulations, we made profit. Even with 0.01, I'm sure you made up to $3. All right. Okay. So okay. So let's look for the next impact. Let's look for the next impact. I still feel bad over not entering this from this area. Okay. Okay. So all right. So this is it, and let's wait for this market. So I want us to, take the second entry. Okay, so the market is making a move right now. Let it get into this box, then we can still sell. So I just hope we got there before the end of our session. Let me update my premium members that our GBP USD order didn't get triggered. GBP USD getting order. Okay. So just 3 pips to our entry, and the market didn't trigger, right? Okay, so all right, so the market is moving. Okay. Just a moment, guys. Okay, so the market is getting close to our trigger point. All right, so it's getting close, guys. Remember, this is XAUUSD. Though we've already made little profit from this. I made, as a large lot size user, I made quite an amount of money from the first signal. Okay, so let's see if we can get the second one. Let's see. The market is getting close. It's getting closer, closer and closer. Yeah. So the forex market is all about liquidity and liquidity grabs. That is why I keep advising you guys to come join my premium group. Okay, fund your account with at least $200. So that way you'll be able to have a session with me. Okay, a one-on-one session. I'm telling you, if you have that session with me, I'm going to change your perspective over trading. Yeah, because I'll tell you things that you might have not, had from anybody else before. Things you need to know about forex market that you've never heard from anybody. Oh yeah. So that is what I'm going to be teaching you if you fund up to $200 to join my premium group. And I believe my premium members can also attest to, the profit they've been making from the premium group. Since the beginning of this year, guys will be making massive profit. I'm telling you. Um, a day has never gone by that we don't make profit. Okay, a day hasn't gone by that we don't make profit. Yesterday we made massive profit. Day before we made massive profit. Okay, since on Monday, no, the market fully opened on Tuesday. Since on the Tuesday we were making profit. Okay, and up to now we are still making profit. So if you want to be part of those lucky people that make profit, come and join my premium group. All right, just fund your account with at least $10. Now, $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you fund up to $200 will not only get you into the premium group for 1 month, you also get the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me. Okay? So imagine what we will be able to do with having that session. Yeah? So guys, think about it. Let's do something great. Okay? This is 2024. If you're not planning something great, I don't know what years you want to be planning. And this is the best time to start planning, what you failed to plan last year. All right. It's the beginning of the year now. So my own plan is to make massive money from Forex. All right. So the market didn't trigger and the market is already moving to the downside. I want the market to get to this area. Okay. This is the 50%. Okay. This is the 50%. And if the market doesn't go to 50%, I don't take such trade. The reason is because the market can decide to pull up and go up. Okay, the market can decide to pull up and go up. So that is why I love it when the market touches 50%. Okay, so we're definitely going to sell. We're definitely going to sell, but we still need to allow the market to come to this area. So let's just hold on, guys. Let's just hold on a bit. Let's hold on a little bit. We don't want to make fast decision faster than our shadow. I'm still pained. I'm still pained by what happened here. Okay, I'm still pained by what happened here. Um, because as you can see, we would have taken our entry. The market trigger exactly where I had set my entry point. Okay, remember our first entry here around this area. Okay, around this area. This was exactly where I set my entry point. Okay, and my stop loss was just here. Even with $5, you would have been able to take this trade. All right, but unfortunately the market started moving before we could enter, and what happened was that my thought was, as I've explained earlier, if you are having two zones, it's very hard to actually say this is where the market would move from. Okay, so I was having double zones, and that double zones means that the market can actually reverse from any of those zones. Okay, so I needed to wait to get the confirmation, and even before the data was released, as you saw, the data before the data, I think 5 minutes before the data was released, the market came here, triggered around this area. Okay, the market triggered even before the data was released. Yeah, and when the data was released, the market just started moving down, shooting down massively, going down massively. So those are the kind of things that happen. That is why they say trading the news is very dangerous. Okay, if you don't know what you are doing, it is better you look for the professionals that will guide you and tell you, no, this is how it should be done. This is what you should do. Okay, and all the analysis I did here is just a reflection of my professionalism. Okay, it is because I know what I'm doing. That is why I'm able to say the market to move from here, the market to do this. All right. So if you really want to have this knowledge, this 2024, you want to make something great out of the forex market, you want to have this experience, all you need to do is just fund your account. Okay, just fund your account. The banner is there. The banner will always be there. Okay, you see that banner where deposit with benefit is boldly written on. The banner will always be there. Just click on it. It's going to take you to where you can fund your account. Fund at least uh, fund at least $10. Okay, $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And when you're in the premium group, what do you get? You get free signals, you get free market reports. Okay, they are free because you are not paying for those things. You are not paying a dime. I'm telling you. Okay, all the money you'll be funding is going into your trading account. Okay, immediately you fund, you see your money. All right, if you fund through the live stream, you see your money. Okay. So the market is currently at our area, the area where I have been waiting for. So let's see what will happen. Guys, get your account ready. Get your account ready. This is the 5 minutes time frame. Most likely gonna give you guys a take profit and a stop loss. I've already made quite a profit from this. I don't know if you guys did, but I sure gave out the signal. I said I'm risking. If you want to risk with me, let's sell. Okay. I sold, made just a few dollars. Yeah, and I said even with the smallest loss size, even with 0.01, you definitely make at least up to $3. Okay. So the market has triggered, but let's wait for confirmation here. Let's wait for confirmation. Maybe we no rush things, all right? So let's wait for confirmation because of the rejection that happened this area. There is this rejection. So we need to wait for confirmation. Okay. Let's wait for confirmation. Guys, no rushing. Let's take everything step by step, little by little. Okay. They say easy and steady wins the race. Okay, so let's take it easy and steady. You see what I said? You see, the market is moving to the upside right now. Let me delete this. So we have enough room to see what is going on here. So you see, this is why if you have multiple confirmation, it's very hard. Okay, and that was what gave us you know why we waited for the entry before the news even took place. I was waiting for the confirmation and then the market just round down on me. Okay. So you see here, there was false confirmation, but the market has, gone a bit above it. So I'm very sure this market is just coming to close gaps. Guys, I'm selling right now. Okay. I'm going to sell from here and my stop loss will be around here. Okay. So I just sold and I sold from here. Okay. So my stop loss will be around here. The reason why I have this confidence is because I know the data that was gotten gave a strong, USD a strong move. Okay. So if the market goes against me, it's fine. If the market goes against me, it's fine. All right. So I'm just gonna have more sell positions. Okay, more sell. Good, 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 good. Honestly, I wish you guys know what I know. Okay, I'm telling you, you'll be making massive profits. Yeah. So what happened here is when the market got to this area, I continued to open sell, and when the market got here, I closed the sales. Okay, and the only position open right now is the one around here. Okay, so even if the market goes against me right now, I'm still going to make money. Yeah, if the market comes back to this area, I can break even on some position that I've opened before and leave the rest. But as I've said earlier, the data gotten gave a strong impact to the USD, meaning that the USD is going to continue to sell. Though the news is over, okay, but yeah. Okay, so okay, I think I'm going to break even on this. I think I'm going to break even. Made profit from here to this area. I'm going to break even here because okay, so I didn't think the market would go above this level, but the market went above the level. So that is why I'm gonna break even. I'm gonna close when the market go back into my entry point. Okay, I'm just gonna close my positions now. Start closing positions. Okay. All right. So guys, let's break even. Let's break even. Okay. The market has gone back. All right. So the reason why I broke even right now is because, as you can see here, the market went above this. Okay. So that means the market went to take another liquidity above this area. Okay. And I don't like that. Okay. I don't like what happened there. The market went above it. The market is not supposed to go above it again since the market, came down all this way. So what the market was supposed to do is come to this area and then continue to go down. Okay. But now that the market has gone above it, I don't want to risk all the profit that I've gotten so far from XAUUSD. So I'm just going to wait and see if I am able to get a more better confirmation. But I'm telling you, this market is going to continue to sell. Yeah, it's going to continue to sell. I've given you guys the reason many times, so many times, the reason why I think the market would continue to sell. Okay, so the market is back to our entry point. Let's see how this market closes. Okay, so if it closes and give us a good confirmation, then I think we are going to open the sell one more time. This time around, I'm going to give you guys the take profit and the stop loss, and you can just use it. Okay, I think the market will continue to go down from there because there was another zone. The market actually came back to dive in deep. Yeah, the market actually came back to dive in deep. Oh, sorry guys, I wasn't checking my 15 minutes time frame. I was just busy looking at the 5 minutes. Okay, so let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame. Oh, good. And I've closed my positions. So if I still had my position opened and I saw this, I would have left the market to keep running. Okay, because this market is still within our range. Okay, it's still within the range of um, the price movement that has happened earlier. Okay, what I mean by price movement that has happened earlier is where the market took off from when he wanted to, take liquidity. So I think the first liquidity that was taken wasn't enough, and then the market came back here right now to, dive in deep, cutting through deep. Okay, so guys, what we are going to do is if you have enough capital, we are going to sell, and then we are going to have a take profit and a stop loss. Okay. So if you have enough capital, we are going to sell and have a take profit and a stop loss. Okay. If you don't have enough capital, guys, XAUSD is not for small account owners. Okay. I'm telling you, if you don't have enough capital, please stay away from this. If you don't have enough capital, I repeat myself, please stay away from this. So our TP is going to be this, and our stop loss is going to be this. Oh boy. So the market even went to the stop loss even before I could set the stop loss. Okay, the market hasn't closed above yet. Okay, so the market went to my stop loss even before I could set it, but the market hasn't hit it yet. As you can see from here, the market is still running. My trade is still running. Okay, but right now I'm not able to set my stop loss because the market needs to go down a bit before I can set my stop loss. Okay, okay. So I just set my stop loss. All right, so guys, stop loss set. Okay, you can set yours also if you took this trade with me. We made few dollars, so even though we lose this, I don't think it's going to be a big deal. All right. So it's already 3 p.m. and we've come to the end of our live trading session for today. Join me. Okay, so tomorrow is weekend. I wanted to say join me again tomorrow. Let's do this together. But tomorrow is weekend. So guys, enjoy your weekend. If you haven't fund your account, the banner will always be there for you to fund. Okay, just come to the live stream, click on the banner. It's going to take you to where you can fund your account. Fund at least $10 to be qualified to join the premium group for 2 weeks. All right. $15 for 1 month and $200 for 1 month, and then you also get the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me. Okay, so I'll see you guys on Monday. Enjoy your weekend and bye for now.